Hey fam, happy Winning Wednesday. How are you guys doing today? Today I wanted to talk about something I learned last night. We had our Tuesday night bull runners, our private token gated bull runners club 100K mastermind last night, like we do every Tuesday. And Nick Anderson, who is one of the co-owners, along with Vincent Ortega Jr. of Online Business App, he led our mastermind last night. And he talked about a lot of different things. It was like mega value nuggets, like a fire hose in the face of value last night. I'm going to have to watch that replay like 7 to 11 times, like Vincent Ortega Jr. always recommends. Just like it takes 7 to 11 times of contact with a prospect or a lead before they actually buy, it takes 7 to 11 times of hearing or seeing something to actually register in your brain so that it's like downloaded, so that you really got it and so that you understand it. So Vincent always says it's a good idea to watch the replays of our masterminds and webinars 7 to 11 times. Even if you're just listening to them while you're doing the dishes or while you're driving, I mean, that counts. It all just reinforces it in your brain. Passive learning. Which brings me to today's topic. We learned all the different daily income producing activities that Nick incorporates into his day to make money, that have gotten him to being the multimillionaire he is today. And one of the things that really stuck in my mind about marketing was the two different types of marketing, active and passive marketing. Just like there is active and passive income, which most people are aware of, active income being income that you have to keep doing work to generate, and passive income being income that you do something once and you get residual income. It keeps making you money over the years. Well, there is passive and income types of marketing. And you should do a combination of both, but when you're first starting out, you probably want to focus more on the active marketing. Well, you want to do both, but the active marketing is more necessary in the beginning because that is what gets your initial audience and starts driving traffic and gets people to know, like, and trust you. And your passive marketing is something that it takes a while to build it up, so you want to start in the beginning, and as people get to know you better, you will get more return on the passive marketing efforts, because those passive marketing efforts are things that are evergreen, that are eternal, that will make you money for years to come after you do it once. And just to break it down and give you an example, active marketing is your relationship building, your attraction marketing, your friend requesting people, you're getting to know people, building rapport through DMs, to private messaging and text messaging, having conversations, getting to know people, and what their interests, desires, pain points are, and getting them to know, like, and trust you. Doing your daily social media posts is active marketing. You're doing it every day. Even email marketing is active marketing because you are continually sending out emails with value to your email list. It builds something that is more passive over time because you're building a list, and that list is are people that you can continually contact and get to know you better over time and become your core people. But the act of sending emails every day obviously is active marketing. Doing reels daily is active marketing, but they can become passive, like doing reels, like I've been doing reels on Facebook, and over time those reels have earned me money through Facebook, and I'll receive money from through ads that run underneath my reels. And also they had a reels bonus program that is now dead, but that you do your reel, and over time the views add up and you get money for that. Excuse me one moment. My allergies are bothering me. I'm going to turn my head while I wipe my nose. I apologize. Allergy season is a bitch. Okay. So back to active and passive marketing. Active marketing are the things you do on a daily basis that you continually have to do. Like if you're constantly doing lead generation, that's active. Now, passive marketing, there's basically two types. There is your videos and your blog posts. So, YouTube is the biggest platform for your videos, and there's WordPress and there's other platforms for blogs. But blog posts and videos will drive traffic and pay you over time. The return on investment, or the return of income, is evergreen, eternal. People who made videos like 10 years ago, people are still viewing those videos today, so they're still generating income. In another day, we'll talk about the ways that your blog posts and videos generate income besides audience building. There are ways you can monetize your videos and blog posts in other ways, like advertising and affiliate marketing can both work well with blogging and video content. But that's a little too much to get into right now. I just wanted to basically stress the difference between active and passive marketing, and that, it's a good idea to start building your passive marketing now. The way Nick described it was like laying one brick at a time. Like, you don't build a wall all at once. You lay each brick perfectly, one at a time, and before you know it, you have a wall. So think of, each day, the video or blog post that you do on a daily basis, as a brick. And you want to stay consistent. Consistency is the key to generating passive income and having effective passive marketing. If you do just one video or just one blog post, yeah, it may get views 10 years from now, but it's not going to make a whole lot of difference in your return. You want to build a loyal following through your blog or through your video channel. And additionally, we're going to talk in a later video about how you get views or people to read your blogs, and we'll talk about keywords, because basically people search things daily in Google and YouTube, and even Pinterest is a search engine, but we'll talk about that at another day. But when people Google certain words like affiliate marketing, or how to make money online, or working from home, those types of keywords are searched millions of times daily. So those words that are in your niche that get the most searches are the ones that you want to use, not only as keywords or tags for your video or your blog, but also to use them in your description as much as you can, and in your title as much as you can, without sounding repetitive. Like, you've probably heard of keyword stuffing. You do want to stuff keywords, those popular search terms, into your title and into your description, but you don't want to say, how to work from home and work from home to make money, and say it a bunch of times, and say how to make money so that you have more money, so that you make money, make it make sense, how to make money working from home with affiliate marketing, and say that those three long tail keywords are the most searched words. You want to use them in your description daily, you want to use them in your title, and you want to use them when you're talking too, because that makes a difference. How many times you say those keywords in your video. I didn't realize that, but that also drives, helps you to rank by how many times you use the keywords when you're talking. Just like in your blog post as you write, you know, how many times you use those keywords. So that's basically what I wanted to cover today. I don't want to overwhelm you. In future videos, we will talk about different strategies for both active and passive marketing and different monetization techniques. So I hope that was of value to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I release new videos. And I know I haven't been doing it daily like I had planned to, maybe bi-daily, but I do plan to work myself up to daily videos. So consistency is key, and I don't want to just preach it. I want to be an example of it too, lead by example. So have a wonderful and a wonder-filled Winning Wednesday, and I will talk to you soon. Give me a thumbs up and a like if you got any value from this, and I love you. Have a great day. Stay winning. We stay winning.